What if I told you this is not a real person, but an AI talking avatar? No camera, no microphone, just one photo and AI. In this video, I'll show you a simple and easy way to create a natural and realistic talking avatar. Let's make talking avatars easy with AI. First, sign in to Heygen. Click Create and choose Photo to Avatar. With Heygen's Avatar 4 model, you can turn a single photo and a script into a high-quality avatar video. Here, I upload the photo I want to turn into a talking avatar. Next, I write the script that the avatar will speak. If you want, you can also record or upload your own audio. Then, I select a voice that matches the character and tone I want, or I can even clone my own voice. One of the most powerful features here is the Gesture and Facial Expression panel. I can define hand movements, facial expressions, and emotions to make the avatar feel more human. After everything is ready, I simply click Generate. To create a more realistic and natural talking avatar, the key is simplicity. Use short sentences, natural pauses, and avoid robotic or overly perfect scripts. Choose subtle gestures instead of exaggerated movements, and always match the voice with the personality of the avatar. That's how you create an AI avatar that actually feels real. And my talking avatar is created. This isn't a real video of me. It started with just one photo. Heygen turned this photo into a talking video. That's how easy AI can be. If you found this helpful, try it yourself with Heygen. The link is waiting for you in the description below. Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more AI tools and tutorials. See you in the next one.